Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is a chocolate chia seed pudding recipe. So this is a really delicious recipe. I'm gonna put it together right now. It's very easy, and I hadn't made this in a couple of years, so I kind of forgot about it, and I made it the other day, and it is really good. So here's what you need. I'm gonna use 1.5 cups of almond milk. Now this is just store-bought almond milk. You can make, of course, you can make your own almond milk at home, which I sometimes do, but today I'm just using the store-bought almond milk. Make it easy. So you're just gonna put all these ingredients into a bowl and mix it up, and then I'm gonna put it into this Tupperware and put it in the refrigerator. And ideally you do it overnight, but at least 4 to 5 hours. Next up, I have chia seeds, and this is 1/3 cup. Now make sure these are whole chia seeds, not ground chia seeds. And now I have cacao powder, and it's 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of cacao powder. And maple syrup is next, and I'm going to use 1/4 cup. There it is. And what I did was, you can of course just eat this plain, or you can put some fresh fruit or frozen fruit on mixed in with it. So after it was done, I added some frozen blueberries, and it was really delicious. But don't put those in yet, that can come later. Now I have cinnamon, so I'm gonna use 1/4 teaspoon, or 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Yes, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I have 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is optional, but I'm gonna use it. There it is. And that's all the ingredients. And then you just mix this up really well. So it's just almond milk, chia seeds, cacao powder, maple syrup, cinnamon, and vanilla extract is optional. So mix this up nice and well. Now this will last, once you mix this up and put it in the refrigerator, it'll last a few days before it goes bad. I would say probably at least 3 days. If it takes you that long to eat. It doesn't take me that long to eat. So mix it up really, really well. Now what I also do is, after it's been in the refrigerator for a couple hours, I'll take it out and I'll give it a quick stir. But I would say it's probably good to eat after about 4 hours. So I would keep it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, if not overnight before you eat it. So that way it just has the right texture. Okay, then after you mix it, you just pour it into a Tupperware. There it is. Seal it shut, and in 4 to 6 hours, it'll be good to eat. And like I said, what I've been doing is, after, when I go to eat it, I've been adding some frozen blueberries, but any kind of fruit, you know, fresh fruit, strawberries, any kind of berries is really good, bananas, whatever. So try that out, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, subscribe for more, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts. And I hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.